Hello my dear students, how are you? I hope that you are all fine today. This is Ms. Isra Saad from Science Team at New Generation Language School. By the end of this video, students will be able to identify the meaning of code. Our session for today is about communication and information transfer, concept 1.4, part 2. Morse code. Morse code. What is the meaning of Morse code? It's a simple code. Simple code, as you see in this picture. This simple code consists of two types. Number one, short beeps or dots, and long beeps or dot or dashes. That developed by Samuel Morse. It uses light or sounds to communicate. So Morse code, it's a simple code, as you see in this picture, consists of two types. Number one, short dots, and number two, long dashes, and we can use light or sound to communicate. Super. What about honeybees? Honeybees communicate with each other through movement, so they use senses of sight to receive these codes. So honeybees can communicate with each other by movement. Okay, and in the hive, honeybees communicate with each other through a special dance in a figure 8 pattern, as you see in this picture, while moving its wings to find food and water. And finally, they know the direction and the distance to food from these dances, as you see in this picture. So beautiful. Do you know that, my friend, the scout bee does one round dance? The flower is very close. The bee does a waggle dance to the right and then to the left, as you see in this picture. To the right and then to the left if the flower is far away. So again, the bees do a goggle dance to the right and then to the left if the flower is far away. Humans also use movement to communicate with each other through sign language that is used by people of special needs, as you see in these pictures. Amazing. So humans also use movement to communicate with each other through sign language that is used by people of special needs. Super. Humans communicate also by simple gesture like yes or no. No. Yeah. Communication systems. Do you know that we are using communication systems that depend on signals in their work? Communication systems work together to transfer information from one place to another, as you see in all these pictures and all the following picture. Number one, satellites, and communication tower. Number three, software, and finally cell phone. Satellite, communication tower, software, cell phone. Ants use communication system also. Ants live in colonies that contains thousands of them, such as nurse ant, scout ants, and finally soldier ants. So we have three types of ants: nurse ant, scout ants, and finally soldier ants. When the food is low, nurse Ants send smelly messages to scout ants to locate food. Number 2, the scout ant sends smelly messages to tell the ant to locate of food. And finally, soldier ants send smelly messages if there is a danger. So first, nurse ants tell smelly messages to scout ants and scout ants to soldier. And now it's a break time. You can eat one sandwich. Okay, what is this? Yeah, super. Excellent, Asil. You're amazing. Asil said it's a bat. So, now we are gonna talk about the technology inspired by nature. Bats make a high-pitched sound and then listen for an echo. When they hear the echo, they know that there's something in front of them. Scientists have created a special cane that emits a high-pitched sound like bats to help blind people, as you see in this picture. How? Let me tell you. When the cane receives the echo, the cane vibrates so the blind person feels this vibration and know that there is something in front of him. So bats receive the echo, but they do not change it into vibrations. Okay, do not forget this information. It's so important. Bats receive the echo, but they do not change it into vibrations. A special cane. Cane receives the echo, but it changes it into vibration, as you see in this picture. And I think that's enough for today. And thank you so much. See you later. Goodbye.